Hey everybody, welcome to an update here. So I'm just going to show you guys what the update is. So I did go down to testify at the House committee hearing for House Bill 1884, and guess what? So it's been advanced. So this is a good thing. So basically, I went down there. I actually saw Yoda from Gadget Guys showed up and came in for the good save and the follow-up after I testified. We had another guy in there that was testifying. He fixes his family's phones, and he didn't like the fact that Apple was trying to capture repair. So anyway, it's going to be moving on to the Senate, which is going to be this Thursday. I guess I'm going to tell you guys. So I took a job back at Phone Lab, and I am currently building this, and I'm not going to say anything else. If you saw it here, you saw it here. I'm not going to make any big announcements, but it's going to launch this summer, our new hardware course. And it is going to be badass. It's going to be the best course there is out there. If you're a Phone Lab student, you know what kind of content we put out, and you've seen our courses, so you know it's going to be good. But anyway, and then I did want to make mention, where did I post that? I think I posted it over on Facebook, and I'm just going to sign off this quick video today to say my condolences to Marie and her family and her friends. Uncle Domingo, who's a longtime customer for Android Hawaii, has passed away. He was just 64 years old. Thanks for watching us late this evening here on the Android Hawaii podcast. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. You can also send me an email. That's androidhawaii@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.